Hey guys, sorry about the lighting. Happy 4th of July. And
that one was cool. Missed it.
Mom's here in the background, just so you know.
What's up, YouTubers? Oh, that one had lips in the middle. Did you see it?
Wait, really?
Yeah, that was cool.
Mom, they're not YouTubers. YouTubers make videos.
Oh. What do you call them? Viewers?
Yeah, or subscribers.
Oh, okay. What's up, viewers? Back and forth.
Like,
No light.
oh, she's a YouTube noob. She's a YouTube noob. Perfect firework timing. Oh, where are they? Oh, there.
Oh, that was a big one.
I'm just watching on the camera. Are you?
I'm watching the sky.
Well, I have to see what they're seeing.
That was cool. That was a big one.
Oh.
I like
Earlier-
those are my favorite.
Earlier,
I feel like they come at you.
Earlier, I was like, I want to go over to where the fireworks are coming from and shoot some off. Mom, what did you say?
You can't do that.
I was like, oh.
Not in the city.
Whoa! There's a red and blue one with the heart in the middle.
Really?
Yeah. Are you looking at your phone, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Mom.
I was texting. Oh, that one was cool with the red and the blue.
Yeah, I saw. And so did the viewers. The viewers have seen 3 minutes and 20 seconds of this.
Can you pause it?
No.
No. I was gonna say you should pause it for the grand finale. Can you load the whole video?
What do you mean?
Like, how is there a time limit?
No.
Okay.
Remember how I had to oh shoot. Remember when I asked you to approve long time? I've done a video that's an hour and 2 minutes.
Oh wow. Okay. That's a long video.
Oh, I'll put the link in the description over here. Well, I mean not in the description, in the iCard. So yeah. Oh, and the taste testing? The taste testing, I still haven't edited that yet. So please don't complain that it's really long.
like the sparkly ones like that?
Yeah,
Oh, that was pretty colors.
that's red and blue. Yes, sparklies. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I like the red and the blue ones. I like those that come out at you. Like that. That was pretty.
Is the sound when it... Oh, the waterfall. Is that loud sound? Like the pop when they fire them? Do you know what, viewers and subscribers, do you guys know why I feel like what they do for the fireworks? Well, too bad you don't get to answer. I think that it is, that they just do like a whole ginormous line and they like
Oh, that was cool.
row it up, but like with different lengths of like cord, like fuse, and then it goes in, comes back out, and then it goes for amount of time, and then does another. Oh shoot. Oh. But like they do it like a ton of different times. Oh, that's my favorite. Sorry about the lighting, but it's really late at night. Whoa!
That one looked like a star.
Yeah. Whoa! Whoa!
Bless you. Bless you.
Sorry, guys.
You kind of hear them from over here.
Yeah.
Like the.
Only sometimes though.
Oh, that one was cool.
Whoa!
I like the half one. You hear?
Yeah. I saw a star. Cause you viewers are stars. And also you subscribers. You subscribers mostly, though.
That one was cool.
Yeah. Waterfall!
That's my favorite.
That's a waterfall.
That's my favorite one. I like the red and blue ones they keep doing. Those are pretty cool too.
Oh, where are they? Oh, whoa! That was a really big delay. They're so bright when, like, those, like, really big ones.
Ooh, that one was bright, yeah.
Like, it looks just like the sun. Like, watch one of the big ones on here. See?
That one was cool. Oh, that's cool.
Flashies. Wait, do you want to hold it for some time?
Not really. But are you tired of holding it or something?
No, I just want to point it out. Can you guys see me? Hey. Hold on.
Ow.
Oh, sorry. I'm gonna get out from under.
No, I can't watch it if I've got the thing on my face.
Well, you can watch through that.
I don't want to watch through that.
Hey, can you see me, guys?
No.
Look, right here. So, like, oh, the ones that like flash back and forth, or so the waterfall ones, the ones that look like a waterfall, and those like flickering ones are my favorite. Oh, that top one? That was really bright for y'all when it first exploded, but in real life, it's really not.
Hey, move your hands. You're blocking it.
Oh, sorry guys. Look, over there, waterfall. Over by the left. Is this the grand finale?
No, I don't think so.
Mom, there are fireworks over there,
Oh, yeah?
but you can't see them. You hear them?
Mm-hmm.
Is this the grand finale?
Maybe.
Oh yeah, here I'll take it.
Sorry.
Look. Boom! That was an egg with wings.
This is the grand finale.
Yeah.
Look at all the colors.
It's so bright. It was so bright. It's so bright for the viewers. Mom, look.
Uh-huh.
Look at this.
Quit moving. Are you watching it?
Yeah.
That was it, I think.
You can hear over there. Woo! Woo!
Alright, let's get the seats. Pull back out so I'm going before all the other traffic.
So, yeah. That was fireworks on July 4th. She's a YouTube noob. YouTube noob. Everyone in the comments say YouTube noob. Oh no, don't crash me. No. Wait. No, 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 no. Oh, this is actually kind of like a fort. Oh shoot.
Get up here, baby.
Help.
Put it down. I'm over right there.
Ah.
Come on.
Ah.
You're silly. Come on, baby.
Ugh.
Wanna get going before all the traffic.
Finally.
Fireworks.
Oh, traffic has started. Too late, Mom.
Hey, get the seatbelt on.
Okay. Guys, before the fireworks started, in the iCard above, right over here, I was watching, Chadwick Clay. His channel will be in the top right corner iCard. So, See you guys later. And peace.